Yeah, hey, good day there. It's Wrench Gear here again. And we're going to make a bit of a campfire here today. And I'm going to demonstrate how to use these fire starters. I have a couple other videos on how to make these and even a burn time one on these, whatever. And I think this thing lasts for, I don't remember, it's like 10 minutes or something like that. Or I don't know. You have to check out the other videos. Please do. I'll put these all on a playlist there for you. And I'll try to link them on the bottom of this video as well. But anyway, this is a fire starter, homemade fire starter made out of an egg carton that you buy your eggs in the store, and some old candle wax, and there's a cotton ball stuff down in there too. But then some people have said to me, like even close friends have said, "Hey man, how do you use that thing? Like you still have to put a bunch of newspaper all crumpled up in the fire pit?" And the answer to that is no. And also, do you have to chop a whole bunch of kindling? I got what big deal? I still got to chop up kindling. No, you don't have to chop up any kindling at all. This takes care of all the paper, all the kindling. You don't need anything like that. So I'm going to demonstrate on how to use this thing, and we'll make a fire here. All right, so let's get going on this thing here. So the first thing you do is you go through your firewood pile there, and I don't have much of a pile anymore. We've been using it, but go through your firewood pile and find yourself something that's a little bit flatter, something like so, or I don't know, big chunk of bark or anything at all. So just drop that in there. And that's something that you can stand this thing up on. So now we're gonna start this thing. Takes a second for that cardboard to get going and the wax to start burning on it. And that's it. You put the thing in there, balance it on there. However, try not to burn yourself. And that's it. Get the thing going a little bit. Do your regular log house thing around it, or whatever you want to do. And that's all there is to it. Now we're going to give this thing a minute or two to get going, and we'll see how it turns out. That's all there is to it. All right, we're maybe about 1 minute in, and looks like he's starting to catch onto them chunks of firewood there. All right, we'll come back at about 2 or 3 minute mark, and we'll see how it's going. So we're at about 3.5 minutes now, and it's starting to catch on pretty good to that one that's standing up right there. And we're going to give it another minute or two, and then we're going to stick that old one on there and get it going again. All right, we're at it for about, I don't know, we're probably into it for about 5 minutes now. Maybe about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to move this stuff around a little bit. Move that one over and take this old chunk left over from last night. All right, we're going to give that a few minutes, and we'll come back when it's roaring. All right, so that's how you use those things. It's been going there for a number of minutes now, and everything's going good, and you just got to start stoking a whole bunch more on there and get her going. So yeah, that's how you use them. Nothing to it. This is a whole bag of these things here, a bunch of those there that we made in one of the other videos. Different sizes, whatever. They all work the same. It's all good stuff. So anyway, yeah, that's how you use them. So thanks for watching, and I hope you got a little bit of something out of here if there was any confusion as to how you use those starters. But anyway, here we are. This is at the end of June. I have just a couple more days until July. June of 2023, and we're camping on a river site in Northern Ontario, Provincial Park in Northern Ontario. Come right down to the river here and do a little bit of fishing and what have you. Just kick off my shoes and walk out into the water here. Show you how this is. Absolutely beautiful here. Very quiet, very peaceful. The river up this way heads into a big lake where you can do all your deeper water fishing and you know, water skiing, and there's a big beach there. Oh, somebody's skipping rocks over there, and next campsite over. And yeah, we come in here and we do a little bit of paddle boarding once in a while. I just kind of float around there and do a little bit of fishing, but yeah, I jump on the paddle boards and just drag them right down into here, and you know, the ducks come walking up in here, and you see the ducks and the chipmunks come around and check everything all out, and it's all good. Absolutely beautiful here. Beautiful weather today. No, we had lots of rain yesterday, but no rain going on today, so absolutely beautiful up here. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe there for me, and keep that algorithm going for me, and it's all good. All right, thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one.